Okay, Chargers, we're going to have another example of factoring a trinomial when we have a plus 10x and a plus 16, when b and c are positive. The b and c refers to, right, this number right here, that's a positive 10, and then plus c, that's a plus 16. So that's what we're working on when b and c are positive, or what I like to say is when it's plus 10, plus and plus in the middle there. So I'm gonna write this down: x squared plus 10x plus 16. And remember, what we're gonna do is we're gonna factor this out. We're begging the question: what two binomials did we multiply to get the trinomial above? X squared plus 10x plus 16. This is a lot like division, right? I mean, it's a reverse process of the FOIL and the distributive property that we've done in the past. So here we go. So again, we start here with x squared. That gives us the clue as to what this first number was when you started your multiplication. So what are the factors of x to the second? The factors of x to the second are x times x. That's how you make x to the second. You got to multiply x times x. Then we go to the end of the problem, how it ends, plus 16, right? There we go there, and we go there. Now, there are several factors of 16. 1 and 16, right? 1 times 16. And 2 times 8. And I've got to caution you here, and then also 4 times 4, all right? Those are the three ways of making 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. The question here is, now we've got to look to the middle, right? And so let's just say that you guys selected, let's go 1 and 16, right? All right, the question is, will this give us 10x in the middle? Well, let's try. Let's distribute. Let's multiply. X times x is x squared. X times 16 is a positive 16x. Then 1 times x is x, and then 1 times 16 is 16. So we have a match here with 16 and x squared. But the problem is that 16x plus x gives you 17x, and we're trying to get 10x. So the 1 and 16 don't work. Those two factors don't work. 1 and 16 don't work. And really, here's the question. The question is, you know that in the middle, we're going to add an x term plus an x term. Well, that begs the question, what number, right? What two numbers added together will get you 10? Is it 4 and 4, or is it 2 and 8? And so you guys would say, well, it's 2 and 8. And that's where we have to look at the middle term. This actually is, right, 2 and 8. Even though 1 times 16 and 4 times 4 would give you 16, there is only one way that this would go. It's got to be x plus 2 and x plus 8, because we need to get a middle term that's 10x. And as you can see, x times x is x squared, right? X times 8 is plus 8x, right? And we're going towards 10x. 2 times x is plus 2x. There you go. Right there. That would give you the 10x, and then the 2 times 8 is a positive 16, giving us x squared plus 10x plus 16. So hopefully that gives you guys a place to start and how to decide what goes there on the end spot, right? It's a combination of the factors of 16, but what specific factors, when added together, give you the coefficient of 10.